Hello everyone, got some random updates for you. So I was wondering, do you want to see me do bigger drawings or small detailed drawings? And do you want to see me do abstract or more realism? And I was also wondering if you want to see me do some paintings. And do you want to see me do paintings that are colorful, or do you want it to be more black and white, like a monochrome? I don't usually do drawings that have color, but if anybody wants to see me try that, they would let me know. Give me a suggestion, I'll give it a try. But for now, I've been wanting to do a big Sharpie drawing. I haven't done one of those in a while, and I plan on doing one of those. Sometimes I'll just get in the mood to want to use a certain type of medium to do a drawing, and it'll just be stuck on my mind and I keep wanting to use it. And I think I'm going to do a big huge one. It's going to take up most of my wall, and I'll use a fine tip Sharpie for it. But some other random updates is I've been growing this out. It's gotten kind of long. It's like I get to the point to where I'm drawing, sometimes I'll start thinking, and I sit there like this, and I feel like one of those philosophers from 1,000 years ago. And my hair is getting really long. I've got to get a haircut soon. And just doing a lot of drawing as usual, practicing. Been practicing a lot with technical pen, and I enjoy how it works, but you have to use it on really smooth paper for it to work very well. And the paper I'm using is a cardstock paper. It seems to catch in the paper a little bit, even though it's really smooth. I was using this really cheap paper that was a smooth paper, and it was this is really cheap generic. It's like poster board, but I mean it's not the thick poster board. It's like the thin sheets of poster board. And so I use a technical pen on those, and it works perfectly fine. I have no issue. It doesn't catch on it or anything. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but things are going pretty good. Just drawing a lot, trying to get better at doing more realism, freehand drawing. I have a technique that I've been using to do those, which is like a scribble technique that I use with a ballpoint pen. And I just kind of scribble randomly in the paper where I think things should go, and it seems to work for me. It works pretty good, but I've got to practice a lot with being able to draw things based on the anatomy, like drawing one line and not having to like scribble all over like how I do. But I think I'm doing pretty good. I think things are going well, and just trying to get better slowly, but one step at a time. I'll get there. And if you have any questions or suggestions about a drawing you want me to do, just go ahead and let me know. But until then, I'll just keep doing what I'm doing, drawing, and you keep doing what you're doing, and I'll see you around.